Hi, my name is Mike Benson, and if you've made it here, it's probably because you're struggling with mental clarity and energy alignment problems. And guess what? It's not your fault. I've seen this up close with a family member, and I know how frustrating it feels to fight day after day without seeing results. Many people are going through the same situation. But there's a real revolution happening when it comes to mental clarity and energy balance. The product is Gold Align, and it carries this powerful promise. Now, is it really true? Stay with me until the end of this video, because I'll share some strong truths with you, and also important warnings that could make all the difference in your decision. It's exhausting to try countless solutions for mental fog, low energy, and lack of balance, only to feel like nothing changes. I know how much this can affect your confidence and even your well-being every single day. But let me ask you, have you ever wondered if there could be a natural and practical solution that really works? Just like my family member discovered there is. But before I go further, I need to give you a very serious warning. Be extremely careful where you buy Gold Align. Gold Align is only available on the official website. To make things easier, I've left the link in the description of this video and pinned it in the comments. This is crucial to make sure you don't fall for scams. Recent studies show that low metabolic flexibility and the natural aging process are some of the biggest obstacles for people facing issues like mental clarity and energy alignment. On the other hand, healthier individuals usually enjoy higher metabolic flexibility, which results in better balance and overall well-being. And this is exactly where Gold Align makes the difference. I remember when my family member had tried everything. Restrictive diets, complicated routines, even expensive methods. But nothing seemed to help. When they started using Gold Align, the change was remarkable. Gold Align is unlike anything you've ever seen. Its innovative formula works by restoring metabolic flexibility in a fast, natural way. That means you can regain your mental clarity and energy alignment without impossible diets or exhausting treatments. With Gold Align, you have the chance to transform your life in a healthy, simple way, without extreme sacrifices, more quality of life, more confidence every day. Real results that many people are already experiencing. Just remember, every body is unique, so results may vary. Gold Align not only helps improve mental clarity and energy alignment, but it's also a powerful, natural supplement for daily use. Some people notice results as early as the first month, while many report even greater improvements after 3 months. And here's the best part. Gold Align is 100% natural, stimulant-free, non-GMO, and safe. Plus, it comes with an incredible guarantee. If you're not satisfied, you can ask for your money back. That's right, 180 days to test it completely risk-free. So, before you think of buying, remember this warning. Gold Align is only sold through the official website. Don't neglect your health, and don't risk falling into traps. Click the link in the description now and secure your Gold Align safely. Say goodbye to fake promises. It's time to live the transformation you truly deserve. I hope this review helps you, just like Gold Align has already helped so many people. If this content made sense to you, hit the like button, drop your questions in the comments, and check the link below to get yours with complete security.